Hi, it's Matt from Sunshades. Welcome back to another one of our how-to videos. Today we're going to learn how to operate Hunter Douglas soft touch blinds. Soft touch is a low entry cost model of a motorized shade. You actually have a control on the blind as opposed to a remote in your hand or on the wall, but it's an easy way to operate your shades, and a power source is just by battery, so on any window you can use this. You have a nice wand, which is childproof. If somebody pulls it off, it's got a magnetic catch. Just pop it back on. So in order to operate the shade, one touch up. You can stop it at any time in the closed position. Another touch up. The shade will go all the way up. You can just walk away from the window. Really unique operating system by Hunter Douglas. Soft touch is available on multiple shades. We just saw it on the Silhouette shade above, and now below we have the Hunter Douglas Sonnet shade, which is a roller shade in a cellular version. You can just tug the shade up, it'll go all the way up, you can walk away. If you want to stop the shade at any point, again, one tug down, and to lower the shade fully, another tug down, and you can walk away. The last shade we're going to show you today is the Hunter Douglas Banded shade, again with the soft touch operation. One tug up, the blind can open up, you can stop it with a tug down. This position gives you a view through the sheer, gives you privacy inside, you can still see outside. Great feature with this type of shade. Again, one touch up, the shade can go all the way up, you can walk away, it's hands-free operation. Once you get the shade in motion, again, you can stop it by just pulling down and then bring it all the way to the lowered position by one more tug down. That's the Hunter Douglas Banded shade with a soft touch operation. Thanks for joining us today at our Newmarket location. Every week we come to you with how-to videos on how to operate stuff, how to fix stuff, and how to program shades and whatnot. Thank you for joining us. Take care.